So, comment a game I should play. So, comment a game I should play. What is it? Get out of there! Get out of there! Get out of there! It's time to go to bed. The baby shower is tomorrow. No, he can't. He's gotta work. They'll be doing fireworks.
Where you going?
We're gonna ride in Prem's car.
Did you have this already?
Yeah. Prem knows there's a baby shower.
Huh?
Prem knows there's a baby shower. And he said we could ride in his car if we want to. Free flights. Look at this. Look at this. That's a new plane I just bought. The name of the game will be in the title. Oh, Chuck! We're getting ready to do an account. No. What's that? That's dangerous doing it with one hand. Peace, guys.